After the so many years, now industry growth is back on track. After the Lehman crisis, there was a severe slowdown in the economy and industry growth was not picking up. But during the last 2-3 years, again, there is a revival of global demand and export growth is also reviving. So industry growth is also on the same line, is in the positive trajectory. During the last few months, we have posted a good growth number, which is more than 7% in our IIP numbers. So we look forward a good growth to continue in the coming months also, and we believe that the average growth rate for the industry for the current financial year 18-19 would be at around 8 to 9% for the whole year. At this background, PSD Chamber of Commerce and Industry is organizing a program, Industry Growth, Burning Issues and the Way Forward, because there are a lot of reforms during the last 4-5 years. Plethora of reforms have been undertaken by the Modi government, and all these reforms are very fruitful and providing the good results also in terms of increasing the employment opportunities for the youth and the industry advancement in the industry scenario. Yeah, and reforms such as ease of doing business, which is a very crucial reform for the Indian economy. We have improved a lot from 144 level to 100th level, which is a significant move. And recently, Government of India has undertaken a lot of reforms in starting a business also, because there are 2-3 areas like starting a business, construction permits and trading cross borders. All these areas are not that much good in terms of ease of doing business, but during the recent times, the government has undertaken reforms to improve the ranking of these areas also, like starting a business is now becoming easy, and government has set up the time bound limits, like time deemed approval for the so many applications. If some stipulated time is provided for some approval, for example, say if 3 days are provided as a stipulated time for some approval, so after 3 days the approval will be granted automatic, that is deemed. So all these reforms are going to benefit the ease of doing business further and to improve our ranking in the ease of doing business charts at the global level. And other issues like trade war between India and China, how this development is going to impact the Indian economy, particularly the industry sector. We are going to discuss this in our seminar on industry growth and the way forward. And apart from these developments, like there are a lot of developments like Industry 4.0 and rising protectionism in the global economy and signing of free trade agreements. So how all these developments are going to impact the industry scenario, particularly discussing the level playing field for the Indian economy, for the Indian industry at the ground level will be discussed. So I believe this seminar will be a very fruitful seminar for the industry stakeholders, and we look forward that more and more participation from the audience side is there, and they are benefited by the deliberations of the key experts.